Oh my god, this smells amazing! Don't you just love the smell of fresh basil? I usually use the dried version when I cook, but there is nothing better than adding just a couple of fresh basil leaves to your meal as a finishing touch. The smell and the taste are so much more intense. Hi guys, I'm Agnes and this is the Bites Fitness YouTube channel and our Food Fundamentals series. In this video we are talking about this amazing herb basil and its health benefits. Basil is quite a commonly used spice, but we mostly associate it with Italian cuisine and see flavorful aromatic basil leaves on top of delicious pastas. However, this leafy green spice is used for so much more and it has several health benefits. There are more types of basil, but the most common one is sweet basil, which we are talking about here in this video. So, let's see the health benefits. Basil can reduce blood pressure in people with hypertension. Basil can also be helpful if you have chronic stress. It can reduce depression that is related to stress. Basil can be an effective anti-aging and can be good for your memory. It reduces memory loss. It can also prevent certain cancers, including of breast and colon cancers. Basil oil can be used as aromatherapy as well, and it increases mental alertness with it. Basil relaxes blood vessels and thins your blood, similar to aspirin. It also protects against aspirin's damage to your gut, particularly preventing ulcers, which can be a huge problem nowadays. Gut issues need to be taken seriously, and basil can also help with that. So, how do we use basil in the kitchen? You can buy basil plants and use fresh basil leaves, or you can even grow your own basil plant. If this is your case, then only use the leaves and add to your meal as a finishing touch, because heat can diminish the flavor. Though mostly we find the dried, packaged version on the supermarket shelves, and that is the easiest for cooking. Basil is one of the main ingredients of pesto, which is an amazing spice mix in my opinion. I love putting it on my whole grain pasta. This creamy green sauce is typically made from crushed basil, garlic, Parmesan cheese, olive oil and pine nuts. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also send it to a friend who might be interested as well. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos every day. See you in the next video! At Bites Fitness we help those who are living a healthy lifestyle and make time to cook for themselves by providing health and nutrition information and healthy recipes. If you are interested, then make sure to subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos daily.